Oh, shit. The fuck she get them both?
Keep your legs together.
Lower body, fucking Lord. The fuck? The fuck? You see this shit? The fuck? This is advanced shit.
You're on a memory foam. I can't even record this shit. Oh, Jesus, here we go. Here you go. Oh, wait, I don't have enough light. Please stop.
The fuck?
Arc upwards. Arc, goddammit.
Shit, I can't arc that shit.
Are you through?
That was root arc at number 3. Oh shit, got another.
Oh, now we're talking right now. I see it already. Wait till I send this to Tay. Arch it. No, that's what I'm talking about. Oh. I just don't know that Kenny or anyone will ever look at you the same way again. Let me tell you, show your mama. With your one little dread hanging out.
Basic 10 Pilates.
Okay, are we through? Because I can't do this no more, otherwise.
That was the couch potato I just did. Damn, that Pilates shit.
Well, it was a workout for me because my stomach hurts from laughing at you. That was good, though.